There comes a time in life when every small action feels heavier, and the body begins to whisper the truth of age. For many older adults, the fear of falling, the dull ache in the lower back, or the gradual loss of leg strength becomes an accepted reality. But here is the truth. You don't have to accept this. You can change. It's never too late. Modern science supports this. According to research from Harvard Health Publishing and the Mayo Clinic, consistent low-impact exercise not only helps older adults improve balance and strength, but also reduces the risk of falls by nearly 30%. These aren't complicated gym workouts, just simple, consistent movements like the plank, bird dog, and lunges. These 3 exercises may seem modest, but their impact on the aging body is profound. They awaken muscles that have been dormant for years, rebuild confidence in movement, and restore a sense of control. This is not a fitness program. This is a revival. So if you've ever woken up stiff or hesitated at the top of the stairs, this is for you. This journey isn't just about muscle and bones. It's about freedom. It's about reclaiming independence, walking without fear, and living your life fully. It's about standing tall and saying, "I am not done yet." We're embarking on a journey of transformation. You will meet someone who, at the age of 72, believed their best days were behind them, but rediscovered a strength they thought had vanished, all with patience and just a few minutes a day. You can do the same. If you've ever looked at your legs and wondered where your power went, read on. Try one of these 3 powerful exercises and begin a new chapter, not just of movement, but of life itself. Before we go further, I'd love to know, what's your name and where are you reading this from? Drop a comment below to let us know. We're building a warm and supportive community here. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any upcoming guides and practical tips for aging strong. Your journey starts now. Let's begin. At first glance, the plank doesn't look like much. You just hold still, like a quiet bridge. But in that stillness lies incredible power. For older adults, this simple pose is the foundation for rebuilding the stability and confidence that time may have slowly eroded. Why plank? It's a deeply functional exercise that activates your core muscles, including the deep abdominal and spinal muscles, crucial for posture, balance, and spinal health. As we age, these muscles weaken, leading to a stooped posture, chronic lower back pain, and a higher risk of falling. Research in the Journal of Physical Therapy Science shows that regular core stabilization exercises like planks significantly reduce lower back pain and improve functional movement in older adults. Harvard Medical School even recommends it as one of the safest ways to build core strength without straining the joints. The plank is psychological. It says, "I am strong. I can hold myself up. I will not fall." I remember Olivia, 68, who started with only 7 seconds on her knees but was soon holding 40 seconds. Her nagging back pain faded, and she no longer walked with fear. The bird dog is a movement of quiet elegance. One arm reaches forward, one leg stretches back. It might look simple, but for older adults, this gentle exercise holds a secret. It retrains your body to trust itself again. As we age, losing balance is a common challenge. The bird dog targets that problem not just by strengthening muscles, but by reconnecting the brain and body. It works the entire posterior chain, lower back, glutes, shoulders, core, and, more importantly, activates cross-body coordination, training your left and right sides to work together. Studies from the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity show that cross-lateral movements significantly improve motor control, stability, and reaction time in adults over 60. This means fewer stumbles and faster recovery from imbalance. I once worked with Leonard, 74, who called his body unreliable after a stroke. He started small, just lifting one hand at a time. After 2 weeks, he could hold the full pose for 5 seconds. He said, "I feel like I have symmetry again. Like my body knows what it's doing." His confidence returned. The bird dog helps your body remember its rhythm and harmony, teaching you how to move with grace, not with force. The bird dog helps you regain control and stability, leading to better posture, less lower back discomfort, improved walking stability, and more control when reaching or standing up. Most importantly, it instills a renewed belief that you are capable. How to begin? No rush, no pressure. Starting position. Kneel on a soft surface, with your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Gently extend your right arm forward and your left leg back. Keep your back flat and your head in line with your spine. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds, return to center, then switch sides. Tips. Place a folded towel under your knees if needed. Focus on slow, controlled movement. This isn't about speed. Begin with just arm extensions. If balance is tricky, then progress. Even if you wobble at first, that's okay. Wobbling is part of learning. We often think of balance as just physical, but for older adults, it's emotional too. Balance means feeling steady, not just on your feet, but in your life. Every time you stretch forward and lift back, you're telling the world, "I am still strong. I am still here." There's something profoundly symbolic about a lunge. One foot steps forward, your body lowers in control, and you rise again stronger, steadier. For older adults, they are a declaration. I want to walk into my life with power. As we age, the strength in our legs declines, making tasks like climbing stairs, standing up from a chair, or walking long distances harder. Independence begins to slip away quietly. But lunges can help reverse that. This single, powerful movement strengthens the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and hip stabilizers, the exact muscles we need for standing, stepping, turning, and most importantly, recovering from imbalance. According to the American College of Sports Medicine, lower body strength is one of the most critical factors in predicting whether an older adult can live independently. I worked with Lillian, 76, who hated using a walker after a fall. Her physical therapist introduced modified lunges. By month 3, she no longer needed the walker indoors. By month 6, she walked a full kilometer outdoors, unaided. She said, "Each lunge felt like I was taking back a piece of myself." Lunges train more than legs. They teach the brain and body to move forward with control. This is crucial for climbing stairs safely, navigating uneven surfaces, standing up from low chairs or beds, and maintaining dynamic balance while walking. Mentally, lunges rebuild the courage to go beyond the threshold of fear. Starting safely. Your first lunge. Don't worry if you've never done lunges before. Modified lunge. Stand near a sturdy chair or wall. Step your right foot forward, just enough so your knee stays over your ankle. Gently bend both knees, lowering your body a few inches. Keep your torso upright, using the chair for balance if needed. Push through your front heel to return to standing. Repeat on the other leg. Start with 5 reps per leg, working up slowly. Focus on form, not depth. Even small lunges are powerful when done with intent. To lunge is to choose forward motion. It means reclaiming the joy of walking unaided, reducing dependence on others, and feeling grounded and proud. Every time you lunge, you say, "I am still moving forward. I am still in charge of my body. If you've read this far, a memory of strength, a whisper of hope, a quiet, maybe I can, is stirring inside you. And the truth is, you can. Plank, bird dog, lunges. 3 simple movements. They don't require a gym or fancy machines. All they need is you, your breath, and your willingness to begin. They give you back the strength to stand tall, the control to move with confidence, and the freedom to walk where you want, when you want, without fear. Aging doesn't have to mean surrender. Every single day, your body is still capable of healing, adapting, and becoming stronger. You're not too old. You're not too late. Start today. Choose one of these 3 exercises. Just one. Try it once today, even if it's only for 5 seconds. Tomorrow, do it again. Let the seconds become minutes. Let the effort become habit. And let the habit become your new story. A story not of decline, but of revival.